Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to track your steps on your iPhone. It's super easy and you might be surprised at how much your iPhone already does for you. In this video, we'll cover a couple of methods. First, we'll show you how to use the built-in health app to see your step count and activity. Then, we'll briefly touch on some third-party apps you can use for even more detailed tracking. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out.
Okay, let's get started.
Transition to screen recording of iPhone. Alright, so the easiest way to track your steps is through the built-in health app. It's that little pink icon with a heart on it. Let's find it. Pause briefly while showing the app icon. Found it? Great. Go ahead and open it up. Now, if you've never used the health app before, it might look a little confusing at first. But don't worry, we'll break it down. You might see a summary screen. If you do, scroll down until you see steps. It might be under the activity section. If you don't see it right away, tap on Browse at the bottom. Point to Browse on screen. Tap Browse, and then search for steps in the search bar at the top.
Type steps in search bar.
Tap on steps in the search results. Here, you'll see your step count for the current day. You can also tap on the graph to see your step count for the week, month, or even the year. Show different time periods on the graph. It's a great way to see your progress and stay motivated. Now, sometimes the health app might not be tracking your steps. This usually happens if you haven't given it permission to access your motion data. Let's make sure that's enabled. Go back to your iPhone settings. That's the gray gear icon. Show the settings icon. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and tap on it. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Motion and Fitness. Tap on Motion and Fitness. Make sure that fitness tracking and health are both toggled on. If they're not green, tap the switch to turn them on. Show toggling the switches. This allows the health app to use your iPhone sensors to track your steps. And that's it. That's the main way to track your steps using the built-in health app. Now, if you want even more detailed tracking, or if you just prefer a different interface, there are tons of third-party apps available on the App Store. Apps like Pedometer++, Steps app, and even apps from fitness tracker companies like Fitbit all offer step tracking features. Briefly show icons of different step tracking apps. We won't go into detail about them in this video, but feel free to explore them and find one that works best for you. Just make sure they also have permission to access your motion data. And that's all there is to it. You're now equipped to track your steps on your iPhone. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.